Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming in with another product. This is from AccellWW.com. It's the Accell USB-C to HDMI 1.4 multi-display hub. This thing is basically a way for you to plug this into your Windows operating system with a graphic card that supports DisplayPort Alt mode over USB-C. Check with your graphics card if you're not sure, and you can see tested compliant devices on their website as well. This will give you vivid visuals with 4K resolution on a USB-C multi-monitor hub that it is, and it simultaneously displays up to 4K times 2K resolution on up to 2 monitors. Pretty darn cool. That was pretty nice. You can just plug it into one port and it does it all. You can mirror or extend your desktop over 3 displays, plug and play, and away you go. You can do mirror mode, extend mode, and it's compatible with Thunderbolt 3. It's got data bandwidth up to 5.4 gigahertz per lane with 21.6 gigahertz total, and it can simultaneously display to Ultra HD resolution. And it's got advanced wide-eye SerDes technology capable of receiving data over a long range, so that's pretty cool as well, and utilizes multi-stream transport MST. Anyway, check it out. We got a chance to test it, and it does a great job. It's fairly inexpensive, and it can also make your desktop look really awesome in getting all those multi 4K displays going. Anyway, go to AccellWW.com. We highly recommend it.